You as the end user, the operator, your staff, your team, it's not much. I mean, the biggest thing, the number one cause of chiller failure is improper glycol mixture. We design our chillers to be ran at a 35% by volume mixture of glycol and water. We recommend people do that. Check it with a refractometer. Field refractometer, hydrometer won't measure glycol accurately. So use a field refractometer. We include one with every chiller. It's in the panel. But that's a big one. That's a big one for sure. Check it, on the quarter. And you'll be fine. You'll know that everything's set up the way it should be. Other maintenance concerns, there's not much. Your condenser, it's on the back of the single stage unit here, and right here it's underneath. If you're in an area that's, if your chiller's sitting in a cottonwood like cluster, then you're going to have a guy out there, every few weeks cleaning that condenser. Simple as that. Most of the time, that's not really an issue. Condenser cleaning, it's not a big deal. But do keep in mind, debris and stuff. We got air getting sucked against the fins on the condenser, and any bit of blockage can be catastrophic to efficiency and overall, operation of the chiller. So visually inspect your chiller. And that moves on to, as far as the chiller itself, look at, your connections on the compressors. If you visually see something that doesn't look right, give us a call. Overall, refrigeration is very hardy, and it's going to last you a long time. A visual inspection, making sure your glycol percentage is correct, and then cleaning the debris off the condenser are going to be your biggest ones. Get a refrigeration check out once a year. To just, throw gauges on the chiller and see how it's doing, and get him in contact with us. That's one thing we always stress is communication. We'd like to be as involved as you would have us. And so give us a call.